Hello, my name is Charlene Capers. I'm a registered nurse on 7B, which is a general medicine telemetry unit. Our HRO story is related to the COVID pandemic and our unit being converted to a COVID unit for our veterans. Throughout the course of the COVID pandemic, 7B fluctuated, acting as a fully COVID unit to a mixed unit, with COVID patients in designated areas as well as non-COVID patients in other sections. Staffs were similarly separated between these types of patients to avoid risk of transmission, which could have led to dangerous outcomes for our patients. For our action plan, 7B nursing staff had to adhere closely to infection control practices as well as work collaboratively together to take care of our veterans. Although it was difficult to separate the staff on the unit being in the same area, we were able to support each other and were careful not to cross lines of cross-contamination between COVID and non-COVID patients. Charge nurses for each shift oversaw the delivery of care as well as guided each part of the unit and supported the staff. Support staff as well as detailed and surge staff were also assisted to follow proper procedures to properly don PPE, as 7B had educated as well as demonstrated how to don PPE to take care of COVID isolation patients. As a result, 7B was able to safely take care of COVID-19 and non-COVID patients as the needs of our population had changed and the group required different types of need at the time. Facility and other units were not impacted due to closure of 7B beds due to having COVID patients. Not a single patient was identified as COVID transmission while they were admitted on 7B. The staff had cared for these type of patients over the past year since the COVID pandemic started. So to conclude, the HR principles that were demonstrated were sensitivity to operations, focusing on frontline staff and processes, and preoccupation with failure to anticipate risk. So overall, every staff member is a problem solver, and teamwork is important to keep our veterans safe while delivering the best possible care.